Must go! Anita must go! Corruption must stop! 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 We are your children. We are fighting for ourselves. I'm fighting for you too, our brothers. I'm fighting for salary. We are fighting for our fathers who are fighting for salary. Yet the money they are supposed to be given is all stolen. It's all stolen by them. We are fighting this corruption. Don't you see the injustices? Don't you see? We are not fight. We are very peaceful. We shall not fight. We are not armed. We are not beating anyone. We are raising our voices. We are saying not to corruption. We are raising our voices. Yet the money they are supposed to be given is all stolen. It's all stolen by the known Areguye. By the known Areguye. We shall never be intimidated. Must go! Anita must go! Corruption must stop! Corruption must stop! Corruption must stop! Corruption must stop! Anita must go! Anita must go! Corruption must stop! We are fighting this corruption. Don't you see the injustices? We shall not fight. We are not armed. We are not beating anyone. We are raising our voices. We are saying not to corruption. Yet the money they are supposed to be given is all stolen. It's all stolen by the known Areguye. By the known Areguye. We shall never be intimidated.
Let a guy one. Let a guy
Like corruption in our country.
Uganda twagala okubagamba nti kyemuliko tukiwagira ate kirungi ku luno mugambye nti bino si bannabyabufuzi bannayuganda ndabye abaana abasoma bali ku masomero ndabye bannamizannyo abayimbi bapurezenta ne bannayuganda ab'enjawulo kino kirungi nti tebiri mu politics kubanga olusobereramu bapolitician abantu abamu bagamba nti abo just baagala kamera kubanga baagala abalonzi baabwe babalabe kakati kirungi nti bannayuganda bavuddeyo era ffe tugamba nti musigalenga mwekalakasa mu mirembe kubanga ddembe lyammwe gavumenti tugigamba nti abantu bano mu kaseera kano bali mu kugamba nti twagala mutuwulirize bwe muna abanyigiriza ennyo ekiseera kijja kutuuka bagambe nti kakati tukyayagala mutuwulirize muveeyo buvi luto kyekyamutuukako kubanga luto gye byatandikira nga tayagala bawuliriza kakati balemeddeko bagamba nti newankubadde otuwuliriza naye otuwuliriza kikeerezi kakati naawe vaawo gavumenti bw'eneekangabiriza nebeera n'omuntu omunene awo we tulaga ne bannayuganda tubagamba mulemere kubanga kyemuliko kituufu muli mu ddembe lyammwe temukola fujjo naye mulemereko nga mugamba nti nedda obubbi twagala bukome obubbi obuli wano mu parliamenti obubbi obuli mu bitongole bya gavumenti ebyenjawulo tuli mwaye Museveni okusiba emitaafu n'agamba nti mwe muzannya na muliro naki gye binaggwera munaabiraba nga yabadde azannya n'omuliro bannayuganda kikulu okubawuliriza.
Bagonza Thomas, youth activist and political leader and member of the East African Gen Z Uganda chapter. We lodged a complaint this morning at the Uganda Human Rights Commission, moving them to intervene and make recommendations and orders following Tuesday's peaceful protests by youth activists, who included the both male and female, but we saw them being brutally arrested, beaten, and their rights, thus abusing their rights, liberties and freedoms. We therefore prayed for a quick response from them, with recommendations of halting the APDF and military from involving themselves into stopping peaceful and unconstitutional means of holding government entities and leaders accountable. We also prayed that they make an immediate order for the release of all the arrested peaceful youth protesters. Also given the chairperson and members of the commission an ultimatum of 2 days, since this matter is urgent and they've just been looking without getting involved as a commission. Failure to comply, we shall turn up in numbers to peacefully protest in their premises.